You big guy. Big guy. Are you there? I see you. Let's see what you have been doing. Where is your other friends? Your baby's here one. And the little one there, back there. Bro, what do you want? Do you want to say hi? What about your babe there? Does they want to say hi? Do you? Come closer, come closer. Let me take the peek of your baby. Yay! Hey, there's something wrong with his eye. But what have I seen? There's something wrong with that eye. You big man. Are you taking care of your babe? You're supposed to apply Savine here. Savine. Big man. How have you been? I want to see you today. You only open the door. Do you? Do you? Oh, I don't want to eat some, the guy wants to have some fun. Here you go. Come outside. Come, come. Enjoy. One of the friend is outside. He's already moving. Let's see you eat some grains. Baba wake. Take easy, Raya. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. What a beautiful sound. What a beautiful sound. What a beautiful guy. Hey, dude, do you want to jump on me? 6. Not a chill game. Yeah. Naona nijikeep busy hapa nikichill hiyo game. Yeah? Zizi ni yangu tu. The brother is calling these beautiful girlfriends. See how you guys are doing. Come on. Check. The little one is walking alone. The big man is calling the pretty little baby. He's enjoying some grass. Some grass. small pebbles on the small chicken are good for the body of the chicken. Good, beautiful. Enjoy. You're looking around and the bee is calling. Wow, beautiful. The big one is calling the beautiful babies. Them see flapping some beautiful wings. Oh, wow. This is therapeutical. This is what we call therapy. Wow. Just catching the ground, plucking the grains, some grass, some little grass there. The beautiful one eating some grass. She has gone to the black friend, the black. This has these two chicken are married in the same family. They're all married by that guy. Hey, you're the only one who has been left alone. You're the one who has been left behind. Do you want to meet them? Let's go and see what these people are doing this side. She's walking alone. Then she's saying, okay, should I run? Should I stop? Should I run? The big guy. She's taken down. Wow, the big guy's jumped. The guy wants to go outside. But I won't allow them to go to the side. Let's see what this person wants to say. Let's see what she's plucking some greens. If I try and chase this one. Enjoy some greens. Enjoy some greens. Do you? Oh, the big one is plucking some greens. Beautiful scenes. This Africa. The big one is there. The cat is here. I don't know if the cat will come. The big man want to jump on the rooster. I want to jump on the chicken on the hen. I want to see you coming to this side. Flap, flap this thing, baby. This neck.